Today we're here at Aureus School with the Year 10 Geography students. We've been raising awareness about the challenges of our future water supply and also looking at our proposed reservoir project in the local area. This project aims to secure the water supply for the future. As part of our debating workshops, we've been exploring the project and understanding the different stakeholders within the community and their different perspectives on the project, both for and against the scheme.
So drought as a challenge, especially during summer months, that is a big issue for all the people that would live in this area, because this area is one that's quite prone to droughts.
It's going to affect our future generations as well, because they won't be in necessities of normal water.
As a local business owner, I am against the construction of the reservoir because it makes my business's profit decline.
Might also have a negative impact on the biodiversity in the short term.
I believe that the reservoir ultimately provides more benefits than negatives, like recreational places for society and the local community to increase mental well-being and fitness, from the cycling paths, the multiple walking paths.
I believe a positive of the reservoir will be increasing biodiversity. More animals will get to live in their habitats
And gain money and visitors day in and day out, helping us grow as a community. Therefore, I think having a reservoir is strong and impactful.
The creation of the reservoir can create loss of habitats, loss of trees and hedgerows. I believe that this will cause major environmental impacts.
So we've been looking at raising awareness around our future water supply, looking at the challenges that we face, looking at population increase, looking at drought, climate change and also our need to protect rivers. We've been exploring these issues within the context of our proposed solution of the reservoir project, which is local to this school.
Yeah, I think it's really important to engage students in local projects. It definitely gives them a sense of importance and belonging. It relates kind of the abstract learning we do in the classroom to their real lives and makes them understand that what they are learning is fundamental to their everyday lives going into the future.
What's interesting is the students that are outgoing are very much engaged right from the offset, but it's those quieter students who don't normally get involved or are a bit shy to speak up. And they're actually getting involved and speaking at the front of the classroom, which I've not seen them do before.
So using all of our pedagogy, curriculum and toolkits, we have debate in order to engage the students on opinions in their local areas, and through all of our activities in a fun and engaging way, the students have developed their voice on issues in their local area.
I believe that the construction of the White Horse Reservoir is necessary as it is going to have so many positive impacts on our social life.
I'm against the White Horse Reservoir project. When there are storms or extremely heavy rainfall, the surrounding area of the proposed reservoir is extremely prone to flooding.
From a resident point of view, there is a lot of positives, such as recreation opportunities, helping the local communities stay healthy.
And I do not believe that the White Horse Reservoir project is the key to protecting our future water supply. And in fact, I believe that it's going to do more harm than good.
I believe the White Horse Water Reservoir is extremely voluminous and will prove to be a saviour in our ever-increasing summer temperatures.
White Horse Reservoir is necessary to protect future water supply because during hot summer periods, water supply runs short, leading to hose pipe bans, etc.
This project is designed with our future generation in mind, and it's therefore really important that we're making sure that we get out into the communities and listening to our young people, giving them some information about the project, exploring both sides of the project so that they can come up with their own perspectives and their own opinions, and making sure that we're actively listening to those voices too.